Today we're checking out the AER Travel Backpack 3 XPAC, and this thing is honestly a game changer when it comes to traveling. So for years I've had countless bags, big and small, but there's always one thing in common. They're either too small, too big, or just end up breaking on me. And if I can't fit everything into a simple carry-on bag, that means I have to check a bag in, which is something I just don't want to do anymore. But now I'm hoping that is all about to change. So I want to figure out if we can, number one, see if we can pack everything we need for a multi-month trip around the world just in this bag to eliminate having to check in a larger bag. See if it's worth actually spending $300 on this backpack, and if you should upgrade to this XPAC version with the higher quality material. So first off, this particular model is made with the XPAC material. It's basically just their high quality, top of the line option, and it just ensures that it can withstand pretty much any conditions you throw at it and last a little bit longer whilst saving some weight as well. It definitely feels like this thing is built to last. Unboxing is pretty standard. You get a few goodies inside the box, and of course the first thing you actually notice is the size of the bag. So this is a 33-litre backpack, which definitely allows you to fit all the essentials you need when you do pack it to the brim. It has multiple compartments, including this laptop sleeve right at the top here, which is quite hard to access, which is good for keeping your laptop safe, and is lined with this nice material to protect it. And there's lots of padding on the back from you and the backpack, and the actual gear inside the main pouch of the bag. You're able to fit up to a 16-inch laptop in here, and to show you the size comparison, we have my 15-inch MacBook Air. When compared to the backpack, fits in pretty well, and when you slide it in, the nice materials on the back of the laptop, and it sits in there pretty deep and protected from everything else that's going to be up here. There's a compartment on the top here for sunglasses, AirPods and stuff. Another pouch here in the laptop sleeve where I have my passport, which definitely makes it twice as hard for people to get in there. On the front here we have a quick access pocket, which is where I'm probably going to store the rain cover for the bag I just have from an older backpack. And then behind that you have a pouch for smaller things, just to keep things organized so you don't lose it while you're looking around this main compartment. Again, there's some decent sized pockets there, a zipped one as well, and another compartment down here, which is where you probably keep some important documents as well. Then inside the main compartment, you obviously have the walls that can extend quite a bit, a secret pocket here, and on the front again, you have another pocket, which I'm sure you could keep little smaller items as well. Something else I've noticed is that the shoulder straps on this bag are nice and breathable, which makes them comfortable to wear for a longer period of time, especially when you pack this thing to the brim and there's a bit of weight in there as well. So in terms of what colors you can get, obviously you have the XPAC version, which only comes in black, and it does have a bit of a sheen to it, which I actually really like. As well as this, you can get the brown one and the black one, and is made out of a ballistic nylon. The weight of this bag was also something that made it more appealing, as the original nylon bags are around 4.2 pounds, and this one comes in at around 3.9, and at the same time having a more durable material. Other features include magnetic clips on all the straps and the side straps, which I think is way nicer than your normal clips. It also comes with these shoulder straps, which makes carrying the backpack a lot more comfortable and easy. The handles are made out of almost seatbelt type material, so they're really high quality, and yeah, it feels exactly like a seatbelt. So you feel pretty confident if you've got this bag packed to the brim and you're carrying it if you don't want it on your back. In terms of how much you can fit in here, I find it's perfect for packing and traveling because it forces you not to overpack, and half the things you actually pack when you go traveling you never end up using. So this is a good way to force you to pack just what you need and nothing you don't. So all in all, I really rate this pack. If you're thinking of upgrading to the XPAC model, I'd definitely recommend it. I think it's only $30 or $40 more, and to have that high quality, probably lasts you another few years way down the line. The high quality zips as well, that helps waterproof all the compartments, not just the laptop compartment, which is what I think they do on the original ones, is definitely worth it as well. Let me know what you think below, and if there's anything else that rivals this pack, and leave a like down below if you found this helpful.